One of the reasons to dig at Sissi was in fact its proximity to Malia. But another reason to explore Sissi was its location and its strategic position. Sissi is located on the coast, but it's also a low hill, but it's still a quite defendable position. But the other reason is also what you see behind us. It's the entrance to East Crete. Whoever wants to go from Knossos or Malia to the east has to pass through this Silinari gorge, and so would have to pass the site of Sissi. The major discovery, of course, was this central building, or this monumental building with a central court. To have a building organized around the central court means that there were certain functions, religious, political, economic, we don't know in detail yet, that were also executed, performed, done here in this site. So it means a certain independence, and that is quite an interesting observation. For the moment we have a lot of ritual evidence, so could also indicate that the people gathered here for certain festivities, and that it was important for the internal cohesion of this society. And this cohesion is also suggested by the collective tombs that show up in the cemetery. So all this together seems to suggest a society which was more like community organized than hierarchical. A modern archaeological team consists of a lot of specialists. You need archaeobotanists, you need archaeozoologists, and you need micromorphologists, a lot of specialities that are involved, and especially ceramic specialists, because 99% of our finds consist of pottery. So, and it's extremely important to understand the nature of the assemblage of pottery that we find, to understand actually the function of the rooms that we are digging. And then you have to count the workers, the experienced workers, the local workforce, and then the students that come over every year. So it's a big team of about 80 people every year that come to this hill. Once we finish the second 5-year program, we'll prepare the site for tourism, because the site is in the middle of a tourist area, so it's easy to visit. And the fact that we have a cemetery and monuments of every single phase makes it also a microcosmos for Minoan civilization in a very small scale, so easy to understand also.